everyone, and welcome to day 3 of 12 days of Rosery. Today I have a pretty festive day planned, so I thought I'd pick up the camera so I can show you a little bit of it. I'm planning on decorating my Christmas tree today, which I am so ready for. You would have seen in yesterday's video that I shared the tree decorations that I've made for my tree this year. Let me show you them. So I have my pom-pom tinsel and my little gingham bows, which I think are just the cutest thing ever. And I've also got a whole heap of dried oranges in here as well, and I've kind of made them into little ornaments, I guess you could say. So I'm going to hang them up in my tree as well. And if you want to make any of these things for your tree as well, then definitely check out yesterday's video so you can see all the steps to be able to make them. Today I'm also going to be doing a little bit of shopping for some other festive supplies. I have plans to do a festive cocktail video which will be coming out in a few days, and I have these particular glasses in mind for that video. So I'm going to pop into my local tip shop because they always have the most random but beautiful kind of glassware selection. So I'm going to go there and see if I can find what I have in mind. So before I head out, I thought I'd quickly let you know what I'm wearing today because I think I'm definitely going to be asked what this top is. I recently went to H&M to buy a new pair of jeans. I love their jeans so much. They're perfect for people with short legs like me. And while I was there, I was looking at their clothes for a bit of sewing inspiration, and I decided to try this top on just so I could kind of like have a look at it on and see if it was something I could try to recreate for myself. And once I tried it on, I just fell absolutely in love. So I decided to take it home with me. If you've been watching my channel for a while, you'll know I don't often buy clothes. But if I do, it's always from H&M, which is interesting. And at least now I have the top here so I can replicate it. So I can make more blouses like this for my wardrobe. It's also got a really cute little bow at the back, which I think's adorable. I also have recently got my nails done, and I decided to get this super festive gold glitter, which I'm so in love with, and it just makes me feel so festive. So definitely recommend, if you are thinking of getting your nails done, why not go something a little bit cute like a gold glitter like this? So yeah, let's head on off to the tip shop. So I didn't manage to find the glasses I was after at the tip shop, but I did find quite a few other things, which I'll show you in a second. So I've just stopped at Kmart to see if they've got some of the glasses that I have in mind. Kmart didn't have any glasses either, which is a real shame because I really need these glasses soon because I want to film this festive cocktails video. I did stop by one other op shop quickly and found this glass. It's not exactly what I was after, but it might have to do, and I might have to just like grab a few mismatched glasses instead. I was hoping to find at least 2 of the same glass, but yeah, no such luck, I'm afraid. I did manage to find quite a bit in the end, seeing as I just stopped into 2 op shops. So I thought I'd quickly show you what I found because I think you might be interested in some of them. So the first thing I picked up at the tip shop was this mug here. I mean, how could I not pick this one up? It is kind of like a weird shape. It's a little bit skinny, and I don't often use mugs like this. But because it had gingham on it, I just could not leave that behind. I had to have it. I think it was only $1 or something. So definitely picked that up. And I think it is a cute one to add to my mug collection. I also picked up this beautiful vintage bed sheet. By the feel of it, it's a really, really good quality cotton, which I think is going to be perfect for summer. It's got this beautiful retro floral pattern all over it, which is just amazing. And yeah, I just couldn't leave that behind either. And then I also found a few clothes bits, which was a surprise. This first one is a beautiful kind of linen blend skirt. It's a midi length skirt, which I love. And it's this beautiful blue stripe, which is just amazing. And the fabric quality, again, is just so good. I just couldn't leave it behind. I have literally been looking for something like this for the longest time, all winter long, and now that we're coming into summer, it's a bit of a shame I found it now, but I'll just have to hold on to it till next winter. But it's this amazing burnt orange ribbed kind of crew turtleneck. Like I said, I've been looking for this exact thing for the longest time, so I was so happy to find that today. What a random find, because I was not really looking at the clothes section, but this piece just popped out to me, and I'm so glad I was able to pick it up. This next piece was also from the tip shop, and I picked it up mainly for the fabric because I'm not like a huge fan of the style of it. I haven't tried it on. I'll give it a good wash before I do. And because it was from the tip shop, it was really, really cheap. And the last item I have to show is this amazing shirt in this beautiful kind of apple green color, which I'm really drawn to at the moment. And obviously the floral print of this is just amazing. Like, I had to have it. But the shirt itself is kind of nice too. Like, I think the collar is really beautiful, and it was only $5. So I decided to pick that one up as well. So I hope you don't mind that little impromptu thrift haul. But I know if I was watching this video, I definitely would want to know what I found while I was out this morning. I'm actually really happy with these ones too. And I think I found some really nice pieces for my wardrobe. But now I think it's finally time for me to set up and start decorating my Christmas tree. Okay, just got our tree out of the shed. I'm always a bit worried there's going to be some spiders in the box, but hopefully there isn't. So we've just got a little fake Christmas tree. In Australia, it's not very common to have real Christmas trees. I think it's starting to become a little bit more popular, and it's something I'd love to do one day. But for this year, we're just going to stick with our trusty fake tree. So what I'm going to do is get it out of its box and set it up and pray there are no spiders in this box. I just got my Christmas lights out. I have 2 lots of battery operated ones. These ones work fine, but for some reason, while in storage, this one has died. Only the first 5 lights light up now. And I know for a fact that that is definitely not going to be enough lights. So I think I've got to walk to Bunnings and get some new Christmas lights. Okay, I'm back. I've got a new pack of fairy lights. Hopefully these will work well. They actually plug into the wall. I don't need to use batteries anymore, so it's kind of a win-win that the other ones didn't work, if I'm completely honest. Look at that. It's starting to look so festive in here. So now I'm going to go grab my other decorations, pop on some Christmas music and decorate my tree. How cute is this tree? I'm so happy with the like orange and pink theme with the gingham. I just think it looks really, really cute. Have to say I've never really themed a Christmas tree before like this. I mean, I've always been a fan of pom-poms on Christmas trees, and usually I make a whole bunch of pom-poms just in random different colors and put them on the tree. But I have to say I really like this orange and gingham with a little pop of pink theme. I think it's really, really cute. So now that the Christmas tree is all decorated, I want to have a go at kind of experimenting and trying to make a like little intro for each 12 days of Rosery video, just so there's a little bit more of a distinction between my regular content and then my festive content. So I'm gonna have a little play around this afternoon and see if I can come up with something. I basically just am gonna cover my table with some festive bits and pieces and just do a little flat lay. So I'm gonna have a play around with the flat lay now and see if I can make something that will be suitable for the intro of these videos. And here is my flat lay. So this is basically just a good overview of what 12 Days of Rosery is going to be, the kind of colours of everything I'm making, a few little sneak peeks of things to come, and I'm pretty happy with how this looks. Let me know what you think. And I think it is a really good representation of what 12 Days of Rosery is going to be. I'm actually getting so excited about this 12 Days of Rosery series that I'm creating. I think it's a really fun challenge to set myself to see if I can post for 12 days in a row and film and edit that many videos. Yeah, it's a huge task, but I'm really, really excited about it. So this is going to be day 3. So there's still another 9 to go, which is very exciting, and I'm pretty proud of all of them, to be honest. I put a lot of effort in and I hope it shows, because you've been watching my videos for the last 2 years and have been giving me so much constant support. I kind of wanted to give back a little bit and do something extra special and provide hopefully really valuable content for you and inspiration for your festive time. So yeah, I guess thank you so much for watching my videos and for enjoying them and for constantly inspiring me to make more videos and to be providing better, more valuable content for you. So I think I'm gonna just go and put my Christmas lights on and sit on the couch, maybe light an incense, and start my new knitting project. I think I'm basically just taking today as a fun day, a fun and festive day, so why not make the most of it and relax for the afternoon. I made this cute incense holder after seeing a really cute tutorial by Fawn Studio. I'll leave a link to that reel in the description of this video if you'd like to make one for yourself. It's so easy, and I honestly had been looking for an incense holder exactly like this for the longest time, so I'm really, really happy with it. My little incense stick is burning away nicely. And the incense I'm burning I actually picked up from Japan when I was there in January. It's delicious. yeah, it's really, really pretty smell. I really like it. So here is the yarn I'm going to be starting my new knitting project out of. It's by Bendigo Woolen Mills in the colour Harvest Gold. It's like the perfect mustard colour. I'm so excited to start it. You're going to have to wait a week or so to find out what I'm going to be making out of this. I have my summer sewing plans video coming out in about a week's time, I think. Maybe 2, and I shared in detail everything I'm going to make, including this cute number that I'm so excited to show you. So yeah, you'll have to wait until that video.